we have Kajal Malik, the co-founder of PickMyWork. Founded in 2019, PickMyWork is a gig platform that sources and trains agents to help digital companies acquire clients through a pay-per-task model. This means that the digital companies acquire clients at a low acquisition cost. Kajal, would you share some advice for aspiring and young women entrepreneurs?
For aspiring, yes. I think as a young person, you get ideas and you're like, okay, I should pursue this, or maybe I'll pursue this 5 years later, then I'll be a little more financially comfortable. Or you always feel that in 5 years your life will be very good. The life just gets more complicated in 5 years. You might have loans, you might have a husband, you might have kids. You might have more people to discuss before taking a decision, right? So whenever you think that you have the right idea and you should start, just start it. Do it today. Quit your college in case you want to, quit your job in case you want to, and try to pursue it today, because the kind of learnings you'll have in the next 5 years, that will surpass everything that you might get otherwise in those 5 years, right? So please don't wait for those hunky-dory 5 years to come when you'll have a lot of money in the bank to fund your startup. That day may or may not come, but today you have it. You have today. So make do with it. Take advantage of it. So for all aspiring entrepreneurs, do it today.